Mm. Hello everyone. Today my second day, and today I explain for you. Today I what I do do in my in 12 hours. First of all, I woke up in 9 in 8:30 a.m. and then some scroll in rail, and then I just things ki I I I I should go in a message some eating food, and then I come and eat, and this and today what to do first and second is, and then I use in CV application, then I use in CV application and talk to different person, and different talk. I not recall which person I talk, and specific, and some in yes, and do bars, and some scroll in the reel in my mobile, in the mostly in the like Marathi in reel cam in comment the reel in the in Marathi language, in argue Hindi and Marathi language, some Marathi political leader in UP, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh people just thinking in bad thinking कि these people not speaking English. If in one is Uddhav Thakur is saying, if you live in Maharashtra, then required in Hindi, in Marathi language, you not suitable in Hindi language. That type of argue relay the camps is not suitable for me in this, and then come and class in just I went to go in my room. In room some scroll reel, and that take come in Praveen, me and Rajneesh, and Praveen, my Rajneesh in stay in a room, and stay in a room. Then I say in I say Praveen कि इन सोनटा के सर से कि इन 30 student required in for M Tech in FSC student, and that region is he 30 people and 20 people just give me backlog. If people have backlog, then definitely he study, definitely he study in this college. That type of thinking. They say if a people come in a non fire, no, other branches like mechanical, chemical, electrical, these people don't know fire, and first thing came in this college and just learn in what is a fire and what is a type of fire, that type of. Then Praveen is a recall, Praveen in my just a recall, and Praveen asked me one question. You also see what is a fire or classification of fire. Then I just saw this person asked me question, then it's okay. Then I say classification: class A, class B, class C, and class D fire, and class F fire, and class F and class K fire. So class F fire in available in class F fire. According to class F fire used in India, and class K fire in NFPA, that scenario. And then argue just, and then argue for class K fire, class C fire. जैसे कि अकॉर्डिंग टू NFPA classifier in electrical equipment related to fire, but in India according to IS in the class in C the gases fire. Then discuss, and then in all the people in asking different type of question, this ask you, debate, argue, that type of. I in last scenario in Rajneesh, you do research in aerosol, and what is your work and work in aerosol. That time I just confused, not recall properly that in potassium nitrate, and this one terms I today also forget, and byproduct potassium carbonate and potassium bicarbonate and potassium carbonate and nitrogen and O2 and CO2 is a byproduct. It's a work that work, and they say in what is a risk and hazard. I say in just say in one simple example in mobile, sir. If in hazard in mobile, if mobile is a blast, then is a risk, and if it is mobile, if you have mobile is a hazard. If in this time, like mobile phone, mirror, and in this blanch and mirror and everything live in this in all the ye hazarded, and all the ye hazarded risks means ki is a fan is a coming me, and in building is a collapsible building is collapse, that type of risks. And second is ask me accident and incident. Accident means happen, already happens means इससे ये हजार्ड एक्सीडेंट in case of दो बिल्डिंग इन कोलैप्स इससे और इंसिडेंट मीन्स इन probability कि दिस सिनारियो इज हैपन टू 1 year 2 year, दिस probability. For example I give me one example for aeroplane classical. In Ahmedabad aeroplane crash, Ahmedabad plane crash, इससे incident. But in future that type of scenario happen any other places, this is an incident. That incident that and the class and discuss in the class D5. And in the Praveen is very confused, and every time discussing the class D5. Class D5 is ordinary accuracy polite TTC and then and one other and discuss any other. You recall any discuss any other topic in excuse and this excuse and in 15683 and 2190 is the same class B, that type of. And ISO in this and ignition and that is that. And you have that type of all. And you have I have in 4 minutes, I have in 3 minutes, I have 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, I just say learn ki today just what you I study. I study in a 5 triangle and 5 tetrahedron. And first of all, definition what is a 5 triangle? And a 5 triangle is a model that is a 3 element required for fire heat fuel. Anyone come, no problem. Heat, fuel, oxygen. And 5 tetrahedron is a model that's showing of four essential element for heat, fuel, oxygen and chain reaction. And give me example in fire triangle. Fire is a normal combustible fire, like in candle, papers. In the solid part is including the fire triangle. It is a high advanced fire, like liquid, gaseous, industrial, chemical fire. Is a fire triangle. And for example, just I give what is your work in that all. First of all, water, fuel, water, foam, CO2. That three fire suppression and classification. Fire work at the remove any one fuel, oxygen and heat, depend on the scenario. In the remove 3 of only dry chemical powder, and also wet chemical powder. And the class K fire remove in the 3 element. But class wet chemical powder remove the chain reaction. In case of fire, if I apply to excuse in the mostly excuse in the fire, then that type of in class no sorry in the dry chemical powder remove chain reaction, in a break in chain reaction. But wet chemical powder not that type of wet chemical powder is a remove heat and oxygen. And today that concept today complete, today only clear, not any other. And like once very doesn't matter. Today increase in the 30 minutes above, no. no problem, but minimum in 30 minutes. And second I load in that time, yeah, premix premix and why no problem, you don't understood which one, premix premix and diffusion. What is a diffusion flame? Diffusion flame is what, and in the fuel air mixer at at the at at the surface, and fuel air mixer before ignition is called is of in diffusion means for example is candle, and Bornish bonds it is called of this. And you learn you know you learn or not, you learn or not, what you learn or not, what and what is a diffusion, you just learn what is diffusion, and what is a premix. This short form, yeah, okay, it's okay. Short, right, that time right, it's short form, okay, because in today in a 10 minute in schedule is going on, okay. If you this video is good, and if you learn in something in for me daily routine, and what I study, what type of strategy to improve my communication, English, everything. If you like, then follow me, because every day I come in this and met uploaded that type of same video, and for you, helpful for your life, because I am fire engineer, okay. Bye, good boy. Today in 2 minutes extra, so that time is sorry, because daily I upload in 10 minutes only. Today in a 12 minute, okay. Bye.